know, even if there's not a direct hit from a powerful storm or hurricane out of the tropics, there could be significant flooding and damage. There's a lot of variables at play here.
Yeah, the hurricane doesn't mean just one thing. Yeah, it really depends on a lot of different factors what the impacts are for a lot of the locations. And in Florida, for this at least, it looks like rain is going to be the most significant factor. With the 11 p.m. advisory, so this was just issued at 11 p.m. by the National Hurricane Center, Debbie officially a Category 1 hurricane, so winds at 75 miles per hour. Gusts up to 90. It is still moving north at about 12 miles per hour. Now, that center of circulation is west of the mainland, so it's off in the Gulf of Mexico, west of Tampa. But everything you see to the east has been bringing a lot of rain to much of Florida. They've already gotten several inches in many cases, and they're going to continue to see the rain from this as it moves further north. So a lot of the models right now taking this further north, again, going to make a landfall around the Big Bend there, and then it's really going to stall out and have a hard time making much progress north, south, east, or west. It's kind of just going to meander around southeastern Georgia and up into South Carolina, which is good news for us. It's not really looking like this is going to impact us too much. It's not going to make it that far north. However, that's bad news for a lot of the folks down there because this thing is going to sit and just dump a lot of rain across these areas. So that is something that's going to be watched very closely as we go through this week. For us, we're going to watch the chance for some showers and thunderstorms. We were dry for today. It was a great day, lower humidity. Hopefully you got to get out and enjoy it. Tomorrow, especially through the afternoon, first part of the overnight, we are going to see the chance for some strong to possibly severe storms. We'll see how these actually develop. We're going to have the heat. We're going to have the humidity. Not a ton of confidence at this point in exactly how many of these storms we get to develop. But if you do have outdoor plans tomorrow, again, afternoon, evening, watch that radar, be aware of what's going on. Really, we're most concerned with any of these that develops kind of similar to last week. We could see some damaging winds with a few of those. Heavy rain is also going to be a possibility. Some of those could have some large hail as well. So again, we're going to have the heat, we're going to have the humidity, and if you're heading to the Guardians game tomorrow, you'll want to be aware of that chance for rain. It's going to be a warm, humid evening with temperatures in the 80s. That chance for a shower or storm cannot be ruled out. Right now, a lot of the activity that's going to impact us for tomorrow and Tuesday is off to the west. So this is still going to be traveling our way as we go through the next day or two here. One thing that's guaranteed, humidity is going up. Hopefully you enjoyed today. Those dew points are increasing overnight and through the day tomorrow. They were in the 50s earlier today. They're going to be back in the low 70s by tomorrow afternoon and evening. So again, we're going to have the heat. We're going to have the humidity. The question is how that all comes together through that second part of tomorrow. National Design hour by hour forecast. We're going to run through one of these models. We have increasing clouds tomorrow morning. We wake up mostly dry. Again, it's going to be hot, humid temperatures well into the 80s at noon, upper 80s for our highs through the afternoon. Through that second part of the day, we still have some model differences on exactly where some of these showers and storms try to pop up and how many we can get, what our coverage is. So we'll go with that chance to see some showers and storms through the afternoon and evening. And any of these that do develop could have some heavy rain and possibly some damaging winds. So that's just something to be aware of. Again, we'll watch and see what happens with that heat and humidity in place through that latter part of tomorrow. We'll keep that chance around through the evening hours, and then as we get towards the overnight, that tapers off. We are going to see another round of showers and potentially a few rumbles of thunder into Tuesday. That could bring us some heavy rain through the late morning and afternoon hours. A lot of us do still need the rain. We'll keep the rain chances around for much of Tuesday. And then we're looking a lot nicer for the rest of that Union Home Mortgage extended outlook. Temperatures are going to be cooler starting on Tuesday. We'll mostly be in the upper 70s to low 80s. Once we get past Tuesday, we've got a nice dry stretch heading our way, and that's going to include all the way through next weekend. Peter?
Thank you, Jessica.